wrestler turned Neta, Yogeshwar, remember, who was associated with the BJP, is he on a warpath? Is something brewing there, specifically with the details that are coming in right now? It's a cryptic post that has come in on social media. Yogeshwar Dutt has said that चरित्र जब पवित्र है क्यों ये दशा तेरी, ये पापियों का हक नहीं, ये परीक्षा तेरी, तू खुद की खोज में निकल. तू खुद की खोज में निकल. Basically, you go ahead and search for yourself, search for what are the options is he looking at. Remember, he's a Olympic medalist, Commonwealth gold medalist, Asian Games gold medalist, and has been in many ways one of the big known wrestler names. Now, because we are told that possibly it's the BJP ticket that did not come to him, and is that the reason that this could be a post from him? On that, let's listen in first to what he had said about elections that he wanted to fight.
देखिए मैं गोवाने को लेके मैंने अपने जो हमारे संगठन है, जो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी हैं, जो संगठन में जो हमारा राष्ट्रीय ऊपर जो हैं, जो संगठन में हैं, सबको मैंने अपने गुवाने की सजताई हो रही है कि भाई एक खिलाड़ी हूँ, मैं ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट हूँ, पहले भी चुनाव लड़ा भारतीय जनता पार्टी से, और इस बार चुनाव का टाइम है तो हम चाहते हैं कि गुवाने से हमें मौका मिले और हम लड़े उसके लिए.
So I go to Kamaljeet Sandhu now. So Kamaljeet, that's the news coming in from the BJP camp. Now it's cryptic for now. We'll wait for further clarity on this. But what do you think happened in this case? Could he be then going ahead as an independent and nevertheless contest elections?
See, a player like Yogeshwar Dutt may have many takers. He does have that option of going independent. But remember, the Congress has not announced its ticket. But meanwhile, Congress does seem to be in an advanced stage of making that particular announcement. So it does seem that there may not be many options. But as far as Yogeshwar Dutt is concerned, remember, he had joined hands with BJP. So he is a BJP face. Even till a few days ago, he was very confident that he would get a ticket from Gohana. But remember, he's not the only one who's very upset with BJP. There are several others, including ministers of BJP, who may now cross over to Congress party. So it may be a shot in the arm for the other party now. Meanwhile, ticket distribution was one of the key points because winnability of a candidate is very key to winning elections. And this is where a SWOT analysis of sorts is made. But clearly, this is going to upset the apple cart. And Yogeshwar Dutt is no ordinary player. He's an Olympian. So it does seem that if the wrestlers in turn, and a lot of people will say it's the player in politics or the politics in player, which is going to make a fact. But remember, this is a big one to watch out for because this is going to give a key indication. It doesn't mean that it's going to hold him back in BJP. In all likelihood, he's going to make a strong decision. That cryptic tweet itself is a giveaway that there is more in the offing, and perhaps he could just walk over to the opposition camp.
And clearly right now, I can say that wrestlers are making a lot of noise when it comes to the political corridors, whether it's Vinesh Phogat or Yogeshwar Datt. Kamaljeet, thank you very much.